Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with that other tutorial. So today we'll learn how to set a e-commerce store using WooCommerce plugin. So this is our simple WordPress website. So today we'll learn how to set up our WooCommerce plugin, how to set up our e-commerce store. So step by step we go. If you are new on our YouTube channel, please thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon button for the latest and more content. Let's start it. So first we need to theme. So add a new theme. So if you have already themes, you can use your own e-commerce theme. Otherwise you can use any free theme which is belong to e-commerce. So I'm installing the Astra. Install and activate theme. Once the install, so Astra has a starter templates. So activating. So I'm using Elementor. So here's business. Now I need e-commerce. Yes, online shop. So these are premium. This is a free and this is a free. Clothing store. So this is a free one. This is a free one. Organic. This is a free one. So I think so this one is good. So I'm go with this. Click on here. Skip and continue. Continue. Submit and build my site. So it's automatically complete some basic steps by using Astra theme. So installing theme plugin forms. So oh, import setting. I agree. No. Beginner. So fill the form and just go with this. Let's take a couple of minutes to import all the setting of our Astra theme. So parallelly what we need, go to dashboard. We need a plugin name is a WooCommerce. So that is our important plugin. Oh, it's already installed. So go to install plugin. So what we need a WooCommerce plugin. This is a complete full-fledged e-commerce tools. So click on setting. I'm give you an overview. So if I'm starting here, go to setting. A general setting is use set up your store address line to store city, store country, store zip code. This is a basic all day. So these are general options where you can sell to all countries, shipping locations and shipping region. These are basic setting of your e-commerce store. So yes, visit your website, click here. Yes, our complete e-commerce store is set up successfully by using Astra. This is our products also imported. So add to cart functionality. So the next step is our products. So WooCommerce all products. Here list of all products. You can this is a dummy and demo products. You can just click and change the product type, product data and journal setting, product title, product description, product featured image. If you want to add product gallery, you can add set up product categories from your tags and Astra basic custom settings and product type simple products. If you have variable products, so variations you can choose a variable products, set up price. So these all the feature available for your product stock management, shipping management, linked products, attributes. If you have attributes of your product, so you can set up there. So this is our products. In our third step is how to set up our payment methods. go to setting, select your payments. So these are all our payments methods. You can set up a cash on delivery, just enable that, yes, enable, save changes. So I have an already video on my YouTube channels about the how to set up WooCommerce payment methods using cards and Stripe. So you can link in description and you can view that video. So cash on delivery on, if I am go to there, add to cart, view cart. So here's proceed to checkout. You can see all the things are imported. So here's the flow of all the websites. So if you want to edit your page, you just need to add it with Elementor. Click edit with Elementor, it's able to add the page. Here's your everything, all the categories, shops, these are the categories, and this is a sidebar, this is a products. Click on this product, let's suppose. So there's product, add to cart, quantity management, each and everything. This is a basic how to set up e-commerce store. So here's the sidebar. If you want to edit, you can go to customization, you can edit with category. So this is a grocery category. These all feature available in products categories. Add new tags, attribute, reviews, variation swatches also available. So you can setting up to variation swatches, global setting, overall the global setting, shop page styling. You can also set up your shop page styling. So here's the detailed videos of our how to set up our e-commerce store by using WordPress and WooCommerce Elementor. So if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels. Thank you.